If you're a director, if you're a principal, if you're an administrator looking for a way to make an impact without having to do too much work, a great way to do that is to get people inspired, to get them engaged, to get them fired up behind a message, behind a vision. And that's why I really recommend speaking engagements for those of you who are looking at trying to do something broad within your organization. Something that may be not necessarily specific about today, but a theme, a direction you want to take your organization. My speaking engagements, regardless of whether or not it's talking about the specifics of work ethic, the ability to be a resilient leader, or how we need to modify and change to meet the growing concerns and challenges that lie ahead of us, are perfect for setting you and your organization up for success. No matter if your participants are teachers, or they're students, they're other administrators, let me help you set the tone and message that you need in order to help you move forward and get the success you deserve.